Hello, it's Paul. I want to answer Elmarie's ticket question as best I can here. She basically signed up she just sent a ticket, filled out this information here, and we would like to restrict users to convert leads and only give users permissions. So what was that? After certain criteria have been met to convert. Criteria would be signed contracts, and then only accounts can convert. Right. So, firstly, I don't think if you're getting someone to sign a contract, they're probably a deal more than a lead. But it's up to you how you run your CRM. I consider leads people that you just grapevining, or you got people to sign up on a message on a website or something. But the minute they show interest, you convert them to a contact, create a deal, and then that's where you're going to get your signed contract because you've got some sort of deal going on that you're following. A lead to me is somebody you don't know. The minute you start talking to them, they should become a contact, and then you can convert them after they've signed a contract because you've set up a deal for them. So I don't know if you mean convert a deal to a one deal, or you do mean a lead. So I'm sorry if I've got it wrong, but let's do it two different ways. Let's talk about setting permissions so only certain people can convert leads, right? So let's do it the easiest possible way first. Criteria would be signed contracts. So I'm not sure what version you're on, if you're on a free version or not, but we can say that only accounts can convert leads. Let's just do this first, then we'll go to the criteria of adding something, right? Right, so when we're logged in as your admin, we're going to go up to tools, this spanner and screwdriver, where we're going to go to users. In fact, we're going to go security control, right? So when you've set up, if you haven't touched this, you'll have administrator and standard. Now, the easiest way for you in your head would be click on standard, go down here to tools, and you see where it says convert. You just want to turn people off, but you can't do it in the standard section, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you which way should I do it. We'll do a new profile, then I'll edit a user and show you how it works to do different ways. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a new profile, and we're going to call it basic, right? Whatever your role or whatever this tier of business. Oh God, my brain's gone. Whatever you call it. No conversions, right? We're going to call it basic, or you're going to call it whatever that level of business the person is that's going to be using this, like trainee or account manager or whatever it is, right? And you can obviously go through, turn a lot of things off, turn things on, right? So again, just for this example, we're going to go to tools, convert. Now this time, we're going to get tick boxes, right? So we can just turn it all off, mass convert, or we can turn it on and turn leads off, right? Because this person may be able to convert quotes or sales orders. Odds are they're probably not going to be allowed to convert anything if they've got such a basic level. And you're going to want to go through and turn a lot of other things off. I mean, really, is there an option? Rename? Really, you'd want, I don't know if manage social accounts. You'd almost want them to be turned off on a basic level, wouldn't you? Just go through and turn everything off, right? But obviously, for this person, you may really just want them to be able to view deals, right? So there's such a basic user. There may be a faster way of doing this. I don't do enough of this stuff to go through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm turn everything off. Price box, everything, right? Because you're going to have to filter through and work out what these people are needing. There's not many. Notes. Oh, that's obviously something you can't change. Import, exports. Mail merge, mass update, mass delete, change owner, share. I'm going to turn everything off, right? Oh my God. I wish I hadn't started doing this now. Set up permissions, you can know. Right? Turn everything off. Everything else, projects. Oh my God. It's such a basic user, everything's turned off. There must have been an easier way to do this than me doing it this way, but everything's off, right? So all I want this user to be able to do is look at leads, view, create and edit, and convert. I don't want to be able to convert it, right? So I go to tools and convert here is off, right? So now that's a basic profile. So all I've got to do then is go to my users, and here I've got max technician. So this is just a technician who's allowed to see leads and add leads, because he might be out on a job and wants to add a lead, right? So I've logged in here, and currently he's got standard role. He can view leads, edit leads. So here's a test lead, can convert leads. So we don't want this to happen, right? So at the minute, everything's switched on. Standard role, standard setup, right? I'm going to change him. So I'm going to pick whichever user I want to change. So it's going to be this max technician. I'm going to click this little pencil, and I'm going to change the role here. Oh, no, sorry. I'm going to change the profile to basic, right? And save. So now Max is a basic user. So when I refresh the basic user, I'm going to think either all these are going to vanish, or yeah. So all the options that I've turned off are now switched off, but leads are still there. But when I click this time in leads, there is no convert button. There's no option up the top here to convert, right? So that's how you turn convert off for a single user. So I go here, change the profile to standard, save, go back here, the convert button, and all the tabs will appear. There's the convert button, right? So that's how you turn off a feature for somebody, right? Right, for your second part here, criteria would be signed off contracts. I'm going to look into this properly because I don't want to rush it, and I will put the video. I'm going to post a video here of how to filter the roles, and then I'll post another video about doing blueprints and signing things off, because it's a bit more in depth, and I think a lot of people are asking this question. I thought it were more obvious than I've never actually done it before. I thought it were more obvious and easier to do than what I've just found out. So I want to make sure I do it right, and I'll post this video below as well. So bear with me. Hopefully by the time you read it, I'll have another video for you.